Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make some fried cabbage. Keep in mind, we all cook differently. There's no one size fits all. There's no one way to do things. But I tell you what, I respect the way you do it in your kitchen. And you don't have to like the way I do it in mine. It's cool. Don't matter. But keep it sassy, keep it cute, or you will be blocked. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I cut the cabbage and wash it. I know some people just cut it up and not wash it, but I always wash it. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm just saying. So what I try to do is I try to cut it in 4 equal parts so that I can get the core out. But as you see here, I didn't cut it in 4 equal, and I didn't cut it equally, so most of the core was in that one side. Don't matter as long as you get it out. And this is just how I cut it. Sometimes I cut it thin, sometimes I cut it thick. It just depends. It's gonna cook down regardless. So I'm just cutting it. My kids aren't big on cabbage, but so I'm gonna take you over to the sink. So basically I put the cut cabbage in a large strainer and I just rinse it and move it around several times until the leaves are separated and I'm happy with the way it looks and the way, if I think it's clean enough. Again, this is what I do. You ain't got to do this. All right? Okay. So these are the things that I use for my cabbage. The cabbage itself, some salt, some pepper, some chicken bouillon, and I also use bacon fat. Now, so here's the pan or skillet that I'm going to be frying my bacon in, my cabbage in. I'm going to add my bacon fat and I'm going to let it melt a little bit, and then I'm going to take a little bit out to go on top of the cabbage because I put too much in the beginning. But use as much as you want. You don't even have to use bacon fat. You can use butter, or you can even use some vegan butter. Completely up to you. You can even do like olive oil and some garlic and whatever you like in your cabbage, child, just use that. Don't let people tell you exactly how you need to eat your cabbage. Okay, so now I'm adding in my cabbage, and I season it with the salt, the pepper, and the chicken bouillon just a little bit, just to give it a little flavor. And then I let it cook. I cover it, let it cook, and I just move it around until it's at the desired consistency that I like. So now I'm going to take the lid off and just move my cabbage around to make sure that the bacon fat is getting and the seasonings are getting on all the leaves of the cabbage. And it's easy to do that once you've let it cook down a little bit. And then I'm going to cover it back up and let it finish cooking. Okay, so now that I've let my cabbage cook down I don't let it get all the way soft. I like my cabbage to still have a little bite to it. Now, if you want to let it brown a little bit, remove the lid and let it fry up a little bit to give it a little color if you want to. It's up to you. So, and then that is it. Enjoy. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.